Today, let's embark on a journey into the world of color, exploring its profound impact on our homes and well-being. Just as we carefully choose items that spark joy, we can select colors that uplift our spirits and create a harmonious living environment. This is where the fascinating science of color psychology comes in, revealing the subtle ways in which colors influence our moods and even our health. If you enjoy this journey, please subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Imagine the gentle tranquility of a clear blue sky or the vastness of a calm ocean. Blue, with its inherent serenity, has a remarkable ability to lower blood pressure and reduce feelings of anxiety. It's a color that invites us to unwind and find a sense of peace within our homes. Picture a bedroom painted in a soft shade of blue. The walls seem to whisper calmness, encouraging a restful night's sleep. The gentle blue hues create a sanctuary where worries fade and relaxation takes over. This calming effect extends beyond the bedroom. A blue living room can become a haven for quiet conversations and moments of peaceful reflection. However, as with any element in our homes, balance is key. While blue can be incredibly soothing, an overwhelming amount of blue can lead to feelings of melancholy. It's important to use blue thoughtfully, incorporating warmer accents and natural elements to create a welcoming and vibrant space. Consider incorporating blue through soft furnishings like cushions and throws. A beautiful blue vase filled with fresh flowers can bring a touch of nature's serenity indoors. Let blue infuse your home with a sense of peace and create a space where you can truly unwind and reconnect with yourself. Green, the color of nature, is synonymous with growth, harmony, and rejuvenation. It's a color that bridges the gap between the indoors and the outdoors, bringing a sense of freshness and vitality to our living spaces. Green has a unique ability to soothe the mind and promote a sense of balance, making it an ideal choice for rooms where we seek tranquility and focus. Imagine a home office bathed in a gentle sage green. The walls inspire concentration and creativity, creating a space where ideas flow effortlessly. A kitchen adorned with vibrant shades of green fosters a sense of well-being and encourages healthy eating habits. Green is also a color of renewal and growth. Incorporating plants into your home, whether a lush fern in the corner or a collection of herbs on the windowsill, amplifies the positive effects of green, bringing a touch of nature's vibrancy indoors. Just like a walk through a forest can refresh the mind and body, surrounding yourself with green in your home can create a sense of peace, balance, and renewal. Let green inspire creativity, encourage healthy habits, and bring a touch of nature's tranquility into your daily life. Yellow, the color of sunshine, radiates warmth, joy, and optimism. It has an uplifting effect on our mood and is known to stimulate creativity and mental clarity. A burst of yellow in our homes can be like a ray of sunshine, brightening our day and infusing our spaces with a sense of cheerfulness. Imagine a kitchen bathed in the warm glow of yellow. The walls seem to radiate energy, inspiring culinary creativity and making even everyday meals feel special. A splash of yellow in an entryway welcomes guests with a burst of sunshine and sets a positive tone for their visit. However, while yellow is a powerful mood booster, it's important to use it thoughtfully. Too much yellow can be overwhelming and may even lead to feelings of anxiety. Consider using yellow as an accent color, adding pops of sunshine through cushions, artwork, or decorative objects. A bowl of lemons on the kitchen counter, a vase filled with sunflowers, or a piece of artwork featuring vibrant yellow hues can bring a touch of cheerfulness without overpowering the space. Let yellow brighten your days, inspire creativity, and infuse your home with a sense of warmth and optimism. Red, the color of passion and energy, commands attention and evokes a sense of excitement. It's a color that can stimulate conversation and create a lively atmosphere, making it a bold choice for social spaces. However, its intensity also requires careful consideration and a mindful approach to incorporating it into our homes. Imagine a dining room adorned with a vibrant red accent wall. The color stimulates conversation and creates a warm and inviting atmosphere for gatherings. A touch of red in a living room, perhaps through cushions or a statement rug, can energize the space and add a touch of drama. However, because red can be overstimulating, it's best used sparingly in areas where we seek relaxation. Bedrooms and bathrooms are better suited for calming colors like blue or green. If you do choose to incorporate red in these spaces, opt for muted shades like burgundy or rust, and use them as accents rather than dominant hues. Red can be a powerful tool for creating a vibrant and energetic atmosphere, but its intensity requires a thoughtful approach. By using red strategically and balancing it with other colors, we can harness its energy to create spaces that are both stimulating and welcoming. Purple, the color of royalty and spirituality, evokes a sense of calm, luxury, and creativity. Its rich history and association with wisdom and intuition make it a unique and intriguing color to incorporate into our homes. Lighter shades of purple, like lavender, are particularly effective in creating a soothing and tranquil atmosphere. Imagine a bedroom adorned in a calming shade of lavender. The walls seem to whisper tranquility, encouraging restful sleep and peaceful dreams. A bathroom painted in a pale lilac hue creates a spa-like atmosphere, inviting relaxation and self-care. Purple can also add a touch of sophistication and elegance to living spaces. A velvet purple sofa or a statement armchair can become the focal point of a room, adding a touch of regal charm. Incorporating purple through artwork or decorative objects can also elevate the ambiance of a space, adding a touch of mystery and intrigue. Remember to consider the intensity of purple when choosing shades for your home. Darker purples can be overwhelming in large doses, while lighter shades like lavender and lilac offer a more calming and balanced effect. Let purple infuse your home with a sense of serenity, luxury, and creativity, creating spaces that inspire both peace and imagination. Orange, a vibrant and energetic color, radiates warmth, enthusiasm, and creativity. It's a color that can stimulate both physical and mental activity, making it an ideal choice for spaces where we seek motivation and inspiration. Orange can also encourage social interaction and create a welcoming atmosphere for gatherings. Imagine a home gym energized by the vibrant hues of orange. The walls seem to pulsate with motivation, inspiring you to push your limits and achieve your fitness goals. A playroom adorned with pops of orange encourages creativity, imagination, and playful energy in children. Orange can also be used to create a warm and inviting atmosphere in social spaces. A living room with an orange accent wall can become a lively hub for conversation and laughter. Incorporating orange through cushions, throws, or artwork can add a touch of vibrancy and warmth to any room. While orange can be incredibly invigorating, it's important to use it strategically. Too much orange can be overwhelming, so consider incorporating it as an accent color or using muted shades like terracotta or peach for a more balanced effect. Let orange infuse your home with energy, creativity, and warmth, creating spaces that inspire action, imagination, and joyful connection. White, the color of purity and simplicity, creates a sense of spaciousness, clarity, and peace. It's a versatile color that can be used in any room of the home, serving as a blank canvas for other colors and design elements. White walls can make a room feel larger and brighter, reflecting natural light and creating a sense of airiness. Imagine a living room bathed in natural light, with white walls that create a sense of openness and tranquility. The space feels airy and expansive, allowing furniture and artwork to take center stage. A white kitchen evokes a sense of cleanliness and order, inspiring culinary creativity and a sense of calm while preparing meals. However, while white can be incredibly refreshing, it's important to balance its starkness with other colors and textures. Too much white can feel sterile and impersonal, so consider incorporating warm accents through wooden furniture, colorful artwork, or textured rugs. Adding pops of color through cushions, throws, or decorative objects can also prevent a white space from feeling too clinical. White can serve as a beautiful backdrop for showcasing your personality and style, allowing you to create a space that is both calming and uniquely your own. Gray, often perceived as neutral and understated, offers a world of versatility and sophistication. Its wide range of shades, from cool charcoal to warm grage, allows it to adapt to various styles and create different moods in our homes. Gray can be both calming and grounding, providing a sense of stability and balance. Imagine a bedroom painted in a soothing shade of dove gray. The walls create a sense of tranquility and serenity, encouraging restful sleep. A living room adorned in a warm grage exudes a sense of understated elegance and sophistication. Gray can also serve as a beautiful backdrop for bolder colors and patterns, allowing them to stand out without overwhelming the space. A gray sofa paired with colorful cushions and throws creates a harmonious balance of vibrancy and calm. Gray walls can showcase artwork and decorative objects, allowing their colors and textures to shine. The beauty of gray lies in its adaptability. By choosing the right shade and incorporating it thoughtfully, we can create spaces that are both stylish and serene. Let gray's versatility inspire you to experiment with different shades and textures, creating a home that reflects your unique personality and creates a sense of balance and harmony. As we've explored, the colors we choose for our homes can profoundly impact our mood and well-being. Each color has its unique energy and influence, offering a spectrum of possibilities for creating spaces that inspire, comfort, and uplift us. By understanding the effects of different colors and incorporating them thoughtfully into our homes, we can create a personalized haven that reflects our inner world and supports our overall well-being. I encourage you to experiment with these colors in your own home. Start with a single room or even a small corner. Observe how different colors make you feel and how they transform the energy of your space. Embrace the joy of creating a home that truly reflects your personality and brings you a sense of peace and happiness. Remember, your home is a reflection of your inner self. By choosing colors that spark joy and create a sense of harmony, you can transform your living space into a true sanctuary, a place where you can thrive and find peace amidst the busyness of life.